Mm. Got you.
Smile.
Where's the ball? Come on. Should we go and chase the ball, Andy?
Yeah.
Go.
Hiding in the bushes. Oh no. Can you get it, Aya? No.
Can you pick it up, Andy?
No. It's not too spiky. It's too far away. Is it spiky?
Can somebody pick it up?
And it's too far away.
No, it's not. Pick it up then.
It's too far away.
Ambil lah, boleh.
Please, Ade.
Jack, can you try? From this side. From this side. It's nearer on this side. Okay, go. Go inside. Go inside. Both hands. Both hands. Get inside. Yes. I got you. I got you. I got you. Okay, let's go and play football now. Go, there go.
My turn. My turn. No, okay. Aya.
Ready? Pick it up, Eddie. From here, from this side.
From the side, is it? I can't reach it. Just go a bit further. Don't pull it out. Out. There. No, not in. Not in. In here. Now can you get it?